Children, all of you know that Earth is the only planet that supports life in the entire universe. It is the only planet which has an atmosphere. Do you know what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a thick gaseous layer surrounding the Earth's surface. It does not remain calm over a larger area for a larger period. Its conditions keep on changing from time to time. These changing conditions of the atmosphere are called weather. It corresponds to a very limited period. On the other hand, the average weather conditions of a larger area on the Earth's surface for a longer period are called climate.
Climate is varied. It is not the same all over the world. Even in a country, it varies from place to place. In a country, some places are cold and some are very hot throughout the year. In some places, it rains heavily, while in some places, it hardly rains. This variation in climate is caused by various factors. They are known as factors of climate. Temperature is the most important of all these factors. Temperature varies from time to time. For example, when we get up early in the morning, it is pleasant. By noon, the temperature rises and by evening it falls, making the weather pleasant. The variation in temperature is due to the difference in the incidence of the rays of the sun at different times. In mornings and evenings, the rays of the sun fall in a slanting position and spread over a large area. As a result, the temperature is low during those times. In the afternoon, as the sun reaches over our head, the rays of the sun fall vertically on the earth and spread over a smaller area. At that time, the temperature is high. The climate of a place is influenced by some factors. They are distance from the equator, height above the sea level, distance from the sea, direction of winds, humidity, and rainfall. Distance from the equator. The distance of a place from the equator influences its climate. The places near the equator have a hot climate. This is because the rays of the sun fall vertically near the equator. They spread over a small area in this region. In places which are away from the equator, the rays of the sun fall in a slanting way and spread over a larger area. So, in those places, the temperature is low. On the other hand, the areas close to the poles experience very cold climate because these are away from the equator. For the sake of our convenience, the world is divided into 3 climatic zones. They are the torrid or hot zone, the temperate zone, and the frigid or cold zone.
The area lying between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is called the torrid zone or hot zone. In this area, the temperature is very high as it is very near to the equator where the rays of the sun fall vertically. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere is called the temperate zone. In this zone, the rays of the sun fall slantingly. As a result, these areas experience neither a very hot climate nor a very cold climate. The area lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole is known as frigid or cold zone. This zone is very cold because the intensity of the rays of the sun is very much here. Thus, the climate of a place is determined by its distance from the equator.
Height above the sea level. The height of a place above the sea level also influences its climate. The distance of some places may be the same, but their climate may be different because they are located at different altitudes from the sea level. For example, Chennai, Mangalore and Bangalore are at the same distance from the equator. While Chennai and Mangalore are located at the sea level, Bangalore is at a height of 550 meters above the sea level. Hence, the climate of Bangalore is cooler than the climate of Chennai or Mangalore. Places situated at higher altitudes or on hills and mountains are cool in summer. That is why places like Shimla, Srinagar, Kodaikanal, Darjeeling and Ooty are cool in summer also. They have become popular hill stations and summer resorts. Distance of a place from the sea is also one of the factors influencing its climate. Places close to the sea have a moderate climate because they receive sea breezes. The sea breezes reduce the temperature of those places. In those places, the temperature is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. Chennai, Kolkata, Visakhapatnam and Mumbai are coastal cities in our country. They have a moderate climate. On the other hand, cities like Delhi, Amritsar, Patna, Jaipur and Hyderabad are away from the sea. They experience an extreme type of climate. In these places, summer is very hot and winter is very cold. Direction of winds. The winds blowing over a place influence its climate. Cold winds make a place cold and hot winds make a place hot. The cold winds coming from the poles or polar regions lower the temperature, while those coming from the torrid zone increase the temperature of a place. Humidity. Humidity is another factor which influences the climate of a place. The presence of water vapor or moisture in the air is known as humidity. Places near the sea have more humidity than places which are away from it. Thus, the winds coming from the sea make the weather humid. On the other hand, the winds coming from the dry areas decrease the humidity of the air. Humidity is measured by an instrument called hygrometer. Rainfall. The amount of rainfall that a place receives influences its climate. Together, the temperature and rainfall describes the climate of a place. In India, the temperature and rainfall are high in summer and low in winter. Hence, we can say that the climate of our country is hot and wet in summer and cold and dry in winter.
In other words, in our country, the temperatures are high in summer and the country receives most of its rainfall in this season. On the other hand, the temperatures are low and the rains are scanty in winter. Climate plays a great role in influencing the lives of the people. Their food habits, dress, customs and traditions are influenced by it. Vegetation, crops, housing and occupations of the people are also influenced by it. Because climate is different in different parts of the world, life is also different. Bye kids!